Many motor enthusiasts have a dream to control their exhaust sound volume simply and conveniently. X-Force has devoted many years in research and development to produce a product which achieves just that. The result is the VAREX exhaust system. Nothing more exhilarating than experiencing the power of an Aussie V8, especially the throaty growl of Ford's XR8 Boss engine. However, not everyone appreciates its commanding roar. Prior to the introduction of VAREX, many motor engine enthusiasts faced the trade-off between performance and sound. Now, with the latest performance exhaust technology from X-Force, you can have the best of both worlds. The VAREX exhaust system, now available for FG XR8s and FG XR8 GTs, is truly revolutionary. It allows you to unleash the full power of your car on a quarter mile, or tone it down to almost silent when necessary, just like a standard factory exhaust. Is the innovative addition of a sophisticated butterfly valve mechanism to the VAREX muffler. This valve allows the exhaust to scream through the system unhindered when open and be diverted through sound dampening chambers like a standard exhaust system when closed. A compact, easy-to-use remote control system allows you to adjust the valve and therefore the volume to any point between sports and silent mode to suit any driving environment. When the valve is open, the system's free flow straight-through design allows the engine to breathe freely, increasing power and performance. When closed, the muffler reduces unwanted noise by forcing the exhaust through its sound-absorbing chambers without putting too much restriction on the flow. The VAREX system, proven gained, will transform the performance of your XR8. The XR8 VAREX system is compatible with FPV, FG, GT and GS models, and can also be custom fitted to the XR6 Turbo and F6. X-Force is one of the most popular exhaust manufacturers in Australia, well known for its ability to produce high-quality parts at an affordable price. They're extremely passionate about their exhaust systems, delivering products with unparalleled performance, superior craftsmanship and pure sports sound. X-Force also builds exhaust systems for Holden, Nissan and Subaru. X-Force products are available now in retail outlets nationwide. To find out more, please visit xforce.com.au or speak to your local exhaust or performance specialist.